Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a game-changing tool that can help you improve your trading strategy. And the tool that we're going to be talking about is the Decycler Oscillator. Okay, the Decycler Oscillator. Now, if you are tired of being overwhelmed by market noise and struggling to spot the right trends, this is the indicator you've been waiting for. So what is the Decycler Oscillator and how does it differ from other indicators out there? Well, let me break it down for you. The Decycler Oscillator is a technical indicator designed to help traders spot market cycles with more precision. What sets it apart from many other oscillators is its ability to smooth out price fluctuations and reduce the noise that often leads to false signals. It's a tool that allows you to, focus on what matters more. All right? As you can see, the indicator, I already added the indicator to the chart. You can see the indicator right there on the indicators window. So if you want to add this indicator to your chart, if you are using the TradingView platform, you can just go to the indicators section up there and search for the Decycler indicator, right? Ella's Decycler indicator. So this is it. You can then click on it and it's going to be added to your chart. Okay, if you are using a platform like the MetaTrader platform, if the indicator is not readily available, you might have to download the file from an external source and then add it to your indicators library, after which you will have to restart your terminal, and after that you'll be able to add the indicator to your chart. Okay, so this indicator helps you to focus on the market's true direction, right? Rather than reacting to every little wiggle in the market. So whether you are trading Forex, stocks, or commodities, the Decycler Oscillator can help you stay on track, spot trends earlier, and avoid those fakeouts that can throw you off course. But of course, like any indicator, it is important to understand how it works to make it an effective part of your trading strategy. Now, let's just get into the mechanics of the Decycler Oscillator. The way it works is that it is designed to identify, sorry about that. Okay. So the way it works is that it is designed to identify market cycles by focusing on both price movements and the inherent rhythm of the market. Now, it filters out the irrelevant noise from smaller price fluctuations and highlights the true trends in the market. In simple terms, the Decycler Oscillator makes it easier to see the forest through the trees. It essentially gives you a clearer picture of the long-term trend while filtering out the short-term market noise. This makes it an incredibly valuable tool, especially in volatile markets, where other oscillators may struggle to keep up. Now, it is important to know that the Decycler Oscillator doesn't just work in one direction. It adapts to different market conditions. Okay, whether the market is trending strongly or consolidating, it provides more accurate signals to guide your trades. All right. Now that we understand the basics of the Decycler Oscillator, let us look at some of its key features. Okay, now as you can see right here on the chart, the Decycler Oscillator is, it's an oscillator, as the name implies, and you can see that it's made up of two lines, and then it also displays red dots and green dots, right? Now, whenever we have prevailing uh, bullish momentum, you will notice that the yellow line will cross above the red line. Okay, that's a buy signal. And then you will notice that the red dots usually form when a buy move is about to happen. So these red dots indicated that a buy move is about to happen. And then we had a crossover. The yellow line crossed above the red line. That was a buy signal, right? Then when the green dots form, it shows that the bullish momentum is weakening. The green dot shows that bullish momentum is weakening, right? So here you can see that there was a pullback and the green dot appeared. And then another red dot appeared, showing that the bullish momentum is regaining strength. Okay, and here again, a green dot showed that bullish momentum was weakening. And then before you know it, we had the lines coming down, showing that the bullish momentum was actually weakening for a while, and that resulted in this pullback, right? But shortly afterwards, the red dot formed again, and that showed that bullish momentum was regaining strength, and you can see we had a continuation. So basically, you have to be watching out for the crossovers, watching out for the green dots and the red dots. Okay, so those are the signals that you should be watching out for. Okay, the green dots show that bearish momentum is stepping in. Okay, the green dots. But basically, I'm going to recommend using this indicator in trending markets. Okay, when the market is trending in a bullish direction, you should be looking out for only buy trades, watching out for the red dots and the bullish crossovers. But in a sell trend, right, in a sell trend, then you'll be looking out for the green dots and the bearish crossovers, because the green dot shows that bearish momentum is stepping in, right? You can see that here, this shows that bearish momentum was stepping in, and you can see we actually had a sell trend. Then in this case, in the case of a bearish move, the red dot is going to be signifying possible consolidation or pullback, because it's a bearish trend. So the red dot is just going to show that that particular bearish move was getting weak at that time. Okay, so you'll be looking out for the green dots to enter your continuation trades, or to even enter at the start of the trend or the sell trend. Okay, now some of the features of the this indicator includes noise reduction, trend detection, customizable settings, and adaptability. One of the standout features of this oscillator is its ability to smooth out price data, right? Price action, its ability to smooth out price action. Traditional indicators can often give false signals due to market noise, but the Decycler Oscillator is designed to focus only on the relevant parts of price action. Okay, now with respect to trend detection, the Decycler Oscillator is great for identifying both bullish and bearish trends. Okay, it's particularly useful when you are looking to enter a trade in the direction of the prevailing market trend. And this indicator has customizable settings. Okay, like many advanced trading tools, the Decycler Oscillator offers flexibility. You can adjust its settings to match your trading style, whether you are a day trader looking for quick moves or a swing trader focused on longer term trends. You can fine tune it for your specific needs. Okay, and then finally, one of the most powerful features is how the Decycler Oscillator adapts to changing market conditions. Whether you are in a strong trending market or a period of consolidation, it adjusts its behavior to give you the most accurate signals. All right. However, note that no indicator guarantees 100% accuracy. All right. Please note that this indicator does not guarantee profits. Okay. Now that you know how the Decycler Oscillator works, let us talk about how you can actually use it in your trading strategy. The first thing you need to do is add it to your chart. Obviously, it's typically used as a standalone indicator, but you can also pair it with other technical tools to enhance its effectiveness. Okay. You can use this indicator to spot trend reversals. It's a great tool for spotting trend reversal when the oscillator crosses, when the oscillator gives you a bullish crossover just right after a sell move, it could indicate a possible bullish reversal. When you have a bearish crossover just right after a buy move, it's going to indicate a possible, bearish reversal, or it could be a pullback at the same time. Okay, this indicator can also help you confirm market direction. You can, if the oscillator is moving in the same direction as the price action, you have a stronger confirmation of the trend. Conversely, if the oscillator is moving against the trend, it could indicate a reversal or that the current trend is losing strength. Okay, while the Decycler Oscillator is powerful on its own, you can combine it with other indicators to refine your entry and exit points. For example, pairing it with a moving average or support and resistance levels can give you even more confirmation before making a trade. All right, in volatile markets, you may want to tweak the settings to ensure that you are getting the most accurate signals. For calmer trending markets, you may want to use broader settings to capture longer term trends. Okay, so the Decycler Oscillator is a powerful, adaptable tool that can help you identify market trends with more precision and reduce the noise that often leads to false signals. If you're looking to take your trading to the next level, it is definitely worth incorporating into your strategy. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and strategies. Okay, comment below with any questions you may have about the Decycler Oscillator or other tools you'd like to learn about. I'll be happy to dive deeper into any topics you are interested in. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.